He ain't got him no more. You better grab it.
You gotta grab his mouth, Bogey. You gotta grab his mouth, Bogey.
I'm going to.
Yeah,
Hang
he's
on.
gonna get you. Get in there with it. Come on, Becca, jump down there.
Somebody got any hands?
Oh, God. Hang on, somebody.
He's jealous. Remember, that's getting on tape. Well, y'all having fun. I'm gonna go back to the camp.
Okay. Yeah, we'll
I
be.
believe you can.
We'll go play a minute and we'll be back.
Yeah. No, but don't take your time.
Okay.
I got his tail.
Show him that mouth, bro. The camera. And that's about the size of a farm gator when they slaughter. It's about a 4 foot. What is it? 4 foot?
He's got a notch in him.
Probably about 4.
Whoop.
He's a frisky little booger.
You see that, Bogey? You see that tail has knots? That was a farm gator. Come from Thomas. Come from Thomas. They notch them so they got to turn back 14% of the live gators for the eggs they get, because that's what Mother Nature.
All for the camera.
That's what Mother Nature.
Smile, buddy. You have fun with that, Kayla. One of them kids can hold his mouth shut, but not open.
Hold on.